Times Now is getting you this exclusive report from the LOC where our forces are standing tall and are ensuring that the enemy does not indulge in any kind of misadventure.
After Pahalgam terror attack, the security forces have intensified search and combing operations across Kashmir Valley, particularly in areas close to line of control. Reporting from an area which is very close to line of control, and my Vijay Shafiq will show you these exclusive images. Here the security forces, the BSF Jawans, are conducting search operations. A drone camera has been pressed into service to in fact keep this area under watch. This is now the search operation that is being conducted here. It is an area which is very close to line of control, and here BSF basically is guarding a larger portion of this line of control, and in areas which have dense vegetation and forests, these search operations are being conducted. Here the BSF Jawans are basically conducting operation and in fact searching dokas belonging to nomadic families, because these families keep migrating from one place to another, and this particular season they are not using these in fact temporary shelters, and security forces have apprehensions that terrorists might use them. So that is the reason, primary reason, that these search and cordon operations are being conducted. As you are aware, from day one of the Pahalgam terror attack, Pakistan has been continuously violating ceasefire on line of control, in fact at multiple locations along the line of control. So Indian Army and BSF is together foiling those attempts and in fact giving a befitting response to Pakistani army and their unprovoked violations. But on ground zero, security forces are also keeping an eye and in fact dominating every single area of in fact line of control or areas close to line of control, because there are intelligence inputs suggesting that while the Pakistani army in fact violates the ceasefire along the line of control, the terror outfits operating from POK might push their terrorists into our territory. So BSF is guarding line of control, and they are keeping a close eye on in fact line of control and in areas close to line of control. These search operations are being conducted. Patrolling has been intensified, while as the ambush operations have been in fact increased. So security forces, particularly BSF, is on high alert across line of control, and in fact operation like this one are being conducted routinely. In fact the pace of these operations has been increased along the line of control or in areas close to line of control to ensure that every single inch of the line of control and areas close to line of control are dominated. With video journalist Sohail near line of control.